In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pepperstone Live Account to Tradingview. By the end, you'll be able to place live trades straight from your Tradingview charts, see your balance and margin at a glance, and combine Tradingview's charting tools with Pepperstone's execution, all in one place. Before we start, make sure a few basics are in place. You need a verified Pepperstone Live account, your Pepperstone login details, and a Tradingview account. A free Tradingview plan works for connecting and trading, though paid tiers unlock more charting features. Have your credentials ready and be on a secure connection, since you'll approve access between the two platforms. Open your browser and go to tradingview.com. Log into your Tradingview account and you should land on the main charting interface. If you don't see a chart, just open any symbol to bring one up. From here, we'll connect the broker. At the bottom of the screen, look for the Trading panel. Click it to expand a list of supported brokers. This panel is where you manage connections and where Tradingview pipes orders to your broker. In the list, find Pepperstone. You can scroll or use the search bar to locate it quickly. Click Pepperstone to start the connection process. You're telling Tradingview which broker you want to route orders through. A secure login window will appear prompting you for your Pepperstone account details. Enter your live username and password, then approve the connection when asked. If you have multiple accounts under the same login, be sure to select the live account rather than a demo. You may be asked to confirm permissions so Tradingview can place and manage orders on your behalf. Once you're authenticated and authorized, you'll see confirmation inside Tradingview. Your account balance, margin information, and a broker-specific trading panel will appear. That's your signal that the link is active and you're ready to trade directly from the chart. From here, trading is straightforward. Use the order ticket to place market, limit, or stop orders, and set your stop loss and take profit before you send the order, or adjust them on the chart afterward. You can modify positions, move stops and targets by dragging lines, and close trades right from the interface. Your open positions and orders are visible in the panel, so you don't need to switch back to Pepperstone's platform to manage them. Before placing live orders, double-check the symbol, order size, and risk settings. If anything looks off, or the panel doesn't show your live balance, simply disconnect and reconnect, then try again. Trade responsibly and enjoy the streamlined workflow.